Hello guys, in this video we are talking about a very cheap glucometer available in India. You can see the three glucometers here. Okay, the first one is One Touch Ultra which I bought 5 years ago, but unfortunately after 2 years it stopped working because the display gone. The second one is a Q-Check Performa which I bought 2 years back, and this also is currently not working. And nowadays diabetic people have their blood tested at home, no? So this was my second glucometer, but this also is not working. The display has gone. So I was looking for some other alternative. In my experience, both the machines which I used earlier has gone within 2 years, and this time I was looking for a machine having a 5 year warranty, and this machine is giving you a 5 year warranty. Also, they have given the contact numbers for in case of any service and other things. So in that way, I found On Call Plus is a better option. Now you can see the price. Yeah, it is 2,200 shown, but I got it for a price of rupees 350 rupees. I bought it from a pharmacy, and they have given the bill also. It is coming, the price is 312 plus GST. So I asked him and they told it is 350 rupees. Since I bought with some other item, it is showing another price also. You can see the saving 1919, and the online price for this one is what in Flipkart is 726 rupees only. And the most important thing for you is that you have to get the testing strips, and the testing strip for this one 50 number from Flipkart, it is only 446 rupees. And you can see the other price AccuCheck Performer which I was using earlier, it was costing me 865, and the One Touch Ultra I used initially, it was costing me 1395 rupees. You can see that I have made a comparison here. It is only 400. It is the cheapest one, 446 rupees. That means it comes around 9 rupees per day. Let us unbox the machine. This is the new one. I'm opening it. The first thing comes to your hand is the battery. Then this is the one which will be used for pricking your fingertip, where you will insert the needle. And they have given a pen as free, maybe for noting down the results. Then the pouch with the machine, the warranty card, and few papers like this. That is the what is called quick reference guide. Then some precautions paper. Then the real booklet for the machine. This is the booklet. In this they have detailedly explained how you can start the machine and other things. If you can go through that also. And you open the pouch, you see this is the needles which you use. Also it is called as lancet, and it has the machine. It is not yet opened. This is a new machine. Then this contains the test strips. 10 test strips come free with the machine, and this is the code for the test strips. You can look at the side. It is written 007, and this is liquid given for calibration. In case of any error or anything, you can calibrate it again. And some paper for regarding the machine. Now let us assemble and see how it is working. For this, first you have to insert the battery. If you see the back side, there on the left and right, there are two compartments which are openable. One is for the code and the other one is for the battery. The bigger one is for the battery. So you just open the back side of the machine. You just pull the case outside and just insert the battery with the writing facing towards you. That is as I shown. Then you just insert it and close it. Once you close it, you can start by pressing on the M. This M button is used for getting in your memory. If you when you are checking the machine after later date, you can check get all the test results by pressing on M and S. Once you insert it, lasts for that time format 12 hours or 24 hours. Same like in the older mobile phones, you have to key in the date and time. That is by using the memory and S button, M and S buttons. M button will increase the digits and S button is for confirming. So now I am fixing it 12 o'clock afternoon, so I fix the time. Once everything is set, it will show you on. That means everything is perfect. Now this is the pen which is used for pricking your finger for getting blood. So this pen, you can see it. On the front side, you can see there are some digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is just for adjusting your pricking depth. If you keep it 1 or 2, it will go less. In the back side, when you pull towards the back, you will get a tick sound. That means it is locked. Okay, and in the front there is a button. That is a transparent button. You press on it, it will bounce back. Now you open the machine. Open the the pen. Then there are 10 lancets also, means needles are also there along with the machine. You just open it and remove the head portion by turning it. Then insert it as I show you. Then close the with the cap. Now the pen is ready for pricking. You can pull it backside and you get the tick sound. Okay. Now before you set the machine, you need to insert the code to the machine. As I told you earlier, on the back side there are two cases. On the left side, you just match the code with your supplied code. Both are 007 in this case. Here it is 007 and on the bottle also it is written 007. Just open the back side of the machine and you insert the code chip as I shown in the video. There is no chance of any error here because it will fix only in that way, so that you can directly read the reading as 007. And then you switch on the machine. It is again showing the time format, that is 12 hours. Then you open the vase and get one strip out of it. When you insert the strip, make sure that the three lines side is facing you, facing towards you, not like this. This is a reverse portion. Yeah, like this, the white portion with the three lines. Okay, you have to insert inside the machine. Once you insert, it will show you the code of the code number, that is again 007 is displayed. That means it is correct. And most of you who have used the machine earlier, other machines may be knowing how to test it. So just prick on your finger and get a blood. Once you just press the fingertip to get a minimum amount of blood required, and just touch the edge of the strip, and it will go inside as by itself. And you can see the countdown. It will go and it will show you the results. Okay, now the result has come. Now if you want to, now we need to close it. So just pull out this one. It automatically switches off. Now I found that later that the price for 100 strips is coming only 730 in Flipkart. That means you will get for 8 rupees.